Hi everyone, welcome back. Oh my god, my hand looks so weird. Yeah, look how much a mess I look, and then and there's Luke in the back.
Hi.
The shaved head.
Yeah.
Probably don't recognise him.
Hello.
And so yeah, we're currently in Alanya. Please say I'm saying it right. Alanya, not Alanya. I keep saying Alanya.
Alanya.
We're in Alanya in Turkey, and I'm slapping myself. But yeah, this is our room. So I'll just give a quick tour of the room. It's just like so cute. So let me just start. I'll start from here. Oh yeah, the World Cup's on. So this is literally the front, and this is the kitchen part. And it's so cute and just like really simple. And we have a fridge, which is so handy as well. A little cute little wardrobe. It's like so tiny and cute, and it's so clean. And then it's just got this like really cute sort of like kind of like a Switzerland sort of cabin feel as well, which I really like in here. And it's just so little and small. Just like, look at this. And that's our bed. Let's quickly show our bed with Luke on it.
Hi.
Look how different Luke looks in here.
Hello.
Hello.
Look
Hello.
at this.
Hello.
Hi.
And there's a little sitting area which is really cute, and that's literally look. I don't know. It doesn't open, that door doesn't though, to the window, which is a good thing. Don't want too many doors to open, just in case anyone breaks them. Don't want that. So yeah, I'm gonna take out to the balcony. So door opened. It opened. Let's go. And oh look, this view. Oh my god. 𝓕𝓪𝓬𝓲𝓪. Like, I just can't believe we have this view from our hotel. Like, this is just absolutely beautiful and amazing. Like, we're so lucky to literally have this. But yeah, it's been such a hectic day. It's just it's a very long flight, but we were prepared anyway. We knew what was coming. So yeah, from Birmingham, and got off at Antalya airport, and then from there our transfer taxi was like a 2-hour drive, but it took 2.5 hours because like there was like 2 drivers taking us. I think one driver knew more than the other where it was, and so it was like, that took about 2.5 hours to come to the hotel, because the hotel is quite hard to find as well. It's on a very big hill as well, but it's such a cute, stunning hotel, and they've got a cute cat and dog as well. It's so cute. So oh my god, as you know, me and Luke are big animal lovers, so this is perfect. So yeah, we're just here to literally celebrate, you know, Luke's 30th birthday. You know, it's just going to be so good for him as well, just to, you know, have a holiday, and it's for Luke's first non-European holiday in Turkey, so he's really excited. But yeah, his it's amazing. We've got this view here, and okay, and if you smoke, but yeah, we're just like excited just to explore Turkey, just a complete new country none of us ever been, so really are excited. And the room is just amazing, like so yeah, it's just so cool. It really is. It's just really cool here. So yeah, that's literally our hotel and the view and everything. And thank you for watching, and I'll definitely, you know, release more videos and keep you updated. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all soon.